What if your turnovers just scheduled themselves? Automatic booking takes the hassle out of coordinating jobs with your pros. Once your Tidy account is connected to your reservation source, like Airbnb, VRBO, or your PMS, we automatically detect check-ins and check-outs. From there, you tell us what type of job to schedule. You also set the ideal time window for the job, usually between guest checkout and the next check-in. Tidy takes care of assigning it to the right pro, automatically. Worried about jobs being scheduled too early? No problem. You can control how far in advance requests go out. And of course, your list of preferred pros and their order of priority is always respected. With automatic booking, your turnovers and other jobs are scheduled exactly how you want, without reminders, spreadsheets, or back and forths. Just set your rules once and let Tidy handle the rest.